If you're the best, there's no excuse for not being number one. We don't believe in invisible websites. If your site isn't ranking on Google, showing up in local searches, or pulling in traffic your business deserves, you're losing to someone who isn't even as good as you. We specialize in helping service-based businesses show up where it matters most, when customers are actively searching. Through SEO, local map listings, directory links, and blog content written to rank, we help you become the first choice, not the fallback. At Elite Web Professionals, we don't just build beautiful websites. We make sure people actually find them. Most business owners think they have a traffic problem, but what they really have is a visibility problem. People are searching for exactly what you do. The only question is, are you showing up? We focus on SEO that targets high intent keywords, Google Business Profile optimization, local directories that build trust, blog content that ranks and converts. Because if you're the best, you deserve to be number one, not invisible. If you're ready to go from invisible to unavoidable, DM traffic and I'll send you my free keyword scan for your city.